The ECOVACS DEEBOT N10 PLUS robot vacuum is a comprehensive cleaning solution with a feature that allows it to vacuum and mop simultaneously, detecting and avoiding carpets when in mop mode. Thanks to its advanced laser-based LiDAR navigation system, the DEEBOT N10 PLUS creates highly accurate maps for efficient cleaning, outperforming vSLAM and camera-based technology. The DEEBOT N10 PLUS boasts a maximum suction power of 3,800 pascal, effortlessly lifting dirt from crevices and carpet fibers, and with a 5,200 milliampere hour battery, it can clean for up to 330 minutes on a single charge in quiet mode. One of the standout features of the DEEBOT N10 PLUS is its auto-empty station, which holds 2 months' worth of vacuum debris, allowing for 60 days of hands-free cleaning. The specially designed dust bag and filter system not only captures particles but also traps odors, making it particularly beneficial for households with pets. The white DEEBOT N10 PLUS robot vacuum, which is manufactured by ECOVACS, is a high-quality product that offers excellent value for its price of $349.99.